Hello and welcome back to Sci-Fi Tech. Ooh, a box. Ah. Ah. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an anti-theft device, and these are the parts that you're going to need. The items you're going to need is these two passive buzzers, 9-volt battery, 9-volt battery connector, 2 mercury tilt switches. First, what I want to do is I want to connect all of the negative together to make the common ground. Solder everything together just like this. Next, I have these mercury tilt switches that are also tinned. So I can solder one positive to one switch, the other positive to the other switch, and it should look just like this. First, I'm going to take a positive wire and solder it to the first switch, and connect it to the battery connector, just like this. And solder the positive wire from one switch to the battery connector to the other switch. And solder everything together, just like this. Battery connector, where the ground of the battery connector is connected to both the grounds of the buzzers. And then you have this buzzer is connected to the switch, then switch is connected to the switch and to battery connector, and this switch is connected to buzzer. So these two buzzers have their own switch, and both the switches are connected to one connection to the battery. Now let's go ahead and place this inside the box. I have right here an Amazon box, a perfect decoy to use for this project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my circuit and place it inside just like this. I'm going to take a screwdriver and make 2 small holes that are big enough for the passive buzzers to make their sound through the hole. Align the hole with the other hole that I've made so that way you can be able to hear the buzzer really loud when the box is tilted. Place some hot glue on the buzzer and align it with the hole, just like this. Extra hot glue to hold it into place, and repeat the same process with the other buzzer. As you can see, there's a gold plate inside of the buzzer. If you see a gold plate through the hole that you made with the buzzer, you have successfully aligned your buzzer, and it should look just like this. Next, I'm going to take my mercury tilt switch and I'm going to orientate it just like this. And I'm going to glue it into place. Next, I'm going to take my 9-volt battery and connect it to the circuit to complete the circuit. Put a little bit of hot glue so the battery doesn't move around, and it should look just like this. Okay, so there you have it. Your circuit is now done. Now let's go ahead and test it out. Tilt it a little bit. Next, what you need to do is close up your box, just like this. Put a little bit of hot glue on the ends of the box, just like this. Doesn't need much, just enough to close the lid, so it looks like it's been unopened. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own anti-theft device that you can put inside of a cardboard box to use as a booby trap to discourage box thieves. Or, if you want to be mean, prank your friends. And there you have it. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future Sci-Fi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.